Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of sitting down with Rob Duthie. Rob is running for town council in the town of Orangeville. Thanks for being here today, Rob.
Thanks for having me.
So today I want to talk to you about bringing back old debates, situations where the town has already voted on something and now it's being brought back. An example is OPS and OPP. What would you do if posed with that position?
I've been asked if I have any interest in reopening old issues or instead forging ahead on different issues. Unless there's some very good reason to do so, I see no reason to reopen settled matters. The example of this issue is the debate over whether we should keep the Orangeville Police Service or to contract our policing out to the OPP. As you might imagine, I have some strong views on this issue. I was a police officer in Toronto for 36 plus years, last 20 as a supervisor. I do think, for a number of reasons, that we are better served by a small municipal service. A move to the OPP may save some money, but there will be a resulting loss of service in the process. I've heard the figure $4.2 million in savings thrown out there, and that may seem attractive. If at the end of the day you're seeing over $4 million in savings, however, there is a corresponding $4 million in reduced service. I'm content with keeping the Orangeville Police Service as is. Having said that, I'm open to looking at the proposal if it were to be reopened. At the end of the day, I suspect that the savings quoted are grossly exaggerated and would not expect to see anywhere near that type of savings previously reported. This is not to say that savings might not be found from within the service. I would like to see the numbers and ultimately be able to make an informed decision about what's best for the community. I'm thinking that the ultimate resolution to this issue, should it reemerge, and given its interest and impact on area residents, is for it to go to a referendum. At the end of the day, the incoming council should be looking at new issues, not resurrecting old ones.
Well, thank you very much, Rob, for addressing this issue. I know it's important for a lot of voters. Thank you again for watching. If you'd like to see more of what Rob has to say, please do take a look at the links below, and thanks for watching.